Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we will show you how to measure the disc brake rotor thickness and to know if you need a new one or yours is still good. So we'll show you how to find the information for free guys. We're working here on that Fiesta, but whether it's Mercedes here, Fiesta, BMW over there, we have a video on this Elantra as well. Once you remove the wheel usually, you'll be able to find the minimum rotor thickness stamped on the rotor somewhere, on the disc, on the brake disc. Different cars will have different location, like Ford likes to use them, okay, right here you can see minimum thickness 21 millimeter. Sometimes you have them, okay, over here, stamped on that rim right here, or with very thin layers on BMW, often it's over here. So you have to clean it because sometimes you have brake dust and you won't be able to see it. So let's see now this one. This is the roller, you can see right here, and it says minimum thickness 21. So we're going to use the caliper tool right here. Okay, we zeroed it. Okay, so let's see now. We have all the links that we use guys in the description of the video. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, how wore out ours are. 22.7. Okay, we got a little bit more here. Right here, 22.8, 22.7. So we're still safe. Okay, the minimum is 21. So we can have ours when we put new brake pads now. We can take ours to the brake shop actually and have those surfaced. What that means, they cut the top layer, a little bit of the top layer off, to make everything smooth and nice, and we'll still be safe. So 21 millimeter minimum thickness is great on this one, and ours is, you can see, 22.7. so that's how you guys check it and know if you need to replace yours or not. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.